S&P and Dow at record highs. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, Tuesday, July 12th, 2016. And the markets go bullish yet again. Small caps leading the charge up 1.34%. Banks up 2%. Financials up more than 1%. US dollar down. Crude oil up by 5%. Huge rally on crude. We will look at that. Gold down 1.7%. Silver down by more than 1%. VIX down by 2%, but the VIX index break even for the day, and something else we'll look at. Here we are looking at the spider. Yesterday I told you guys I went with a token short, and I actually still have that token short. I'm glad it was only a token because we did go higher. So we do have what's called a hanging man reversal pattern, but we are above a resistance line. You can see resistance, and resistance. We busted that. Look at this huge run we've been on. Up, little stagger, up. It's an extended run. Do have a reversal pattern here, but again, it's above a lot of these areas. It made a new fresh high today, and it could certainly stay there by building a base and then another rally to the upside. That could happen. If it does not drop tomorrow, the short I'm in right now, the token short, I will leverage out, or I'll just get out of that. If it drops significantly tomorrow, I will add to that position. We're pretty extended here. Wouldn't surprise me in the slightest to see that start to drop. If you look here at the MACD, this is the MACD down here. These are histograms. You can see the histogram getting smaller and smaller, dropping here. That is indicative of both the MACD line and the signal line getting closer and closer together. That histogram line will tick to the lower side of the zero line. This is the zero line. Will tick lower when the MACD line and signal line cross. So you see that here. When it crosses, you get negative ticking histogram signs. But as soon as you cross to the upside, you get positive. When you cross to the upside, you get positive. So I see it dropping here, so that tells me decent chance of this starting to drop. It shows a slowing of momentum, and we'll just see if that happens. So we had a drop arrow yesterday. I said a sell signal. I'm going to keep that there because I think that still could happen. I will remove that if we continue higher. Now remember, Monday is the start of earnings season. It'd be very interesting to see what the reports start coming out at next week. Dow, all-time high, looking very, very strong. NASDAQ, up, but it's a red candlestick after an extended run. Really good chance of a drop happening, but we are above an area of support. So resistance here should act as support here. Let's see if we can stay above that line. Small caps rallied up strongly. This blue line now makes 0 cents, so I'm going to take it down to this area, and we have two lines that are fairly parallel, pinching a little bit. This line can disappear now, and all these lines that keep getting pierced, I'm going to keep this one, and this one goes way back. Here to, this is November 2015. If you follow that over, that's where we found resistance. So NASDAQ is at resistance right now, or small caps rather. Small caps, the Russells is at resistance, stalled at resistance. Banks busted through this area of resistance. I'm going to get rid of that line. So it's up and away. Financials, up and away. This area that it busted through, I'm going to get rid of that. And we're approaching an area of resistance up there. US dollar, pulling back just a little bit. Crude oil, though, we've been going down today. Pop, we're still below a major area of resistance. I think that it'll probably start heading up a bit here, but it's broken. It's not looking too great at this moment. Gold, big sell-off dropping. I said that would be looking for that at this resistance area. Sure enough, that's happening with big volume. Silver, I thought was above this resistance area. Thought we'd stay above it, but we dropped down. I'm going to massage this line ever so slightly to hit these areas. And I think that we have a good chance of dropping now on silver. So let's watch that to see if that actually happens. I'm using tradingview.com. It's a free service. I do the paid service, the premium service, to give me live data. But you can use a free portion of this if you'd like. But it's a rising wedge at resistance, something to watch out for if you're doing these. The VIX index. Now look what happened here. Yesterday, now remember this is an inverse index. It's a fear indicator. It goes higher when there's fear. Fear has been dropping. No fear. Yesterday, we actually had a bullish candlestick, which means a fear candlestick. Today, we had a gap down, run up. That's another fear candlestick. So you have two bullish candlesticks that's showing an upward movement of fear at a major area of support. So the fear, last time we were at this line, went higher. Fear, last time we were at the support line, the fear got higher. That means the markets are going down. Got near it, it got fearful, touched it, fearful, touched it, a lot of fear. Now we're there again. Chances are we're going to rally higher. That means we should see bearish activity coming into the near future if this line holds. But anything can happen in the markets, and that could certainly drop. Fear could drop. That means the markets could go higher. So there you have it. Everybody who signed up, there's a bunch of you for the 101s. We sent you out another email just moments ago. Look for it. It's from Grok Trade. That email, when you signed up for the 101s, some of the links were not working. They weren't working. So we apologize. We sent you a link to give you all 6 of the emails at one time. So check your email. You have that. You are set to go. Everybody else, you're taken care of. Fill out the form. Go to groktrade.com. Fill out the form, and we'll give you 6 trading tutorials. And they are downloadable if you want to. Right-click them, save video as. Click on that, save video as, and save it to your computer. They're yours to keep. It's an easy way of learning. So if you want a simple way to get going, fill this out, and that will help you. Meet the mentor. We do have one coming up tomorrow, Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. We start right on time. Do not be late. Show up a few minutes early. Meet the mentor, free webinar. Get signed up for that. Technical analysis, everybody's friend. Learn it and learn it well. For those that don't learn it, will be victimized by those who do in the market. So you want to be highly educated. We can help you with that. Like it if you like it.